Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you some of the cleaning tricks by using one single product and that too expired one. So let's get started. So cleansing milk is the product that I'm going to use in many different ways. I'll show you further in the video. I have these two bottles, both of these are expired, so I thought of using this rather than throwing this away. So the first thing I'm going to clean is this cupboard. It has some mica on it. We haven't get it polished yet. So let's see how cleansing milk will work. I don't have a doubt that cleansing milk will clean the dirt, but it will be a surprise if it could bring a shine in the cupboard. We haven't got the cupboard polished, so it has a rough surface. So I'm hoping using cleansing milk will bring the shine, smoothen the surface and also clean the dirt. So I'm using a cotton cloth and directly putting cleansing milk on it, and then I'm going to spread it on one side of the cupboard so that we get to see the difference. And I haven't mixed anything in the cleansing milk yet. Start rubbing the cloth on the cupboard and spread the cleansing milk as much as you can, and you got to rub the cloth till the time cleansing milk vanishes. Okay, like I wanted, so my hand starts to glide on the cupboard and it has smoothened the surface as well. So you could see the difference. This is the part I haven't used cleansing milk. So this is the time when I'm going to make mixture using cleansing milk. I filled half of this spray bottle with water. We have to make a mixture because we can't use cleansing milk directly on the things that we are going to clean further in this video, because if we are using cleansing milk directly on the objects like mirror or glass, it will give a sticky look to them. This is dishwash gel which I'll use further in making the mixture. I filled half of the spray bottle with water, and then I'm going to put cleansing milk into it and around 2 tablespoons of dishwash gel. Quantity of the cleansing milk in making the mixture is not specific, so around 3 to 4 tablespoons you can put it into the spray bottle, and whatever is residue is left in the cleansing milk bottle you can put water. Mixture of cleansing milk and water can be used for cleaning wooden objects. Some of you may put up the question afterwards why I am not using the other bottle of VLCC cleansing milk, because there's no more product in it. It's time to test the mixture. So firstly I'm going to clean this glass table. It looks little blurred because of the scratches that glass has. So let's see how cleansing milk will work. I won't say scratches on the glass table vanished, because it didn't, but the blurredness that the glass table had, it did work on it. From this video, I do not want to convey the message that only the cleansing milk is going to work for cleaning all these objects, but I just want to say that rather than throwing cleansing milk away just because it got expired, use it for these purposes, so it will save the money as well, because the cleansing milk attracts the dirt. Like on the sofa, I just spread cleansing milk and water mixture on the white cloth, and you can see that so much dirt is being attracted by the cleansing milk. It attracted so much of the dirt from the sofa. So I'm going to clean rest of the sofa as well, and then we'll move to the next object. So I'm going to clean the window glass. So I've spread the mixture of water, cleansing milk and dishwash gel, and it just cleaned with one rub, and I'm really happy with the results. I don't know if it gets the clear shot in the video or not, but in reality it cleaned really very well. This mixture came out to be miracle on the objects like switchboard and tiles. So I've just put up the mixture on the switchboard and tiles, and with one rub all of the dirt was clean. This completes my video. I really hope that you liked it, because this is something that I discovered and I really wanted to share. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.